This week, we have a very special announcement. We've just launched our first third-party developer game on the public LUMOplay library. This game was made by a really cool team called Pinq Games, based out of Turkey, and they have made a lot of mobile games. This is not the first large-scale interactive experience that they've designed, though. They reached out to us through our help center, looking to see if we could distribute their game, and I proposed distributing a smaller version of it on our platform. The original game is designed for multiple players, on multiple screens wrapped around a room, and it's very, very cool. We adjusted it and made the game a little bit simpler, so it's only single player, for instance, so that it can be distributed in schools and tested out. But if you have a large event and you want to build a really big experience that many people can play that wraps around an entire room, I recommend reaching out to Pinq Games because they've got a solution already and it's perfect for that type of a project. For LUMOplay, we made a version that's really good for gyms. And so if you want to create something in a gym class that encourages kids to practice their aim, this is called Circle Strike, and it responds really well to large balls like soccer balls. So that's what we recommend using. If you'd like to learn how you can get your app on the LUMOplay library, or how you can use LUMOplay to make an interactive wall for your classroom or your event, you can reach us at info@lumoplay.com or visit our website at lumoplay.com.